My Mazda AC turns on, but there's no cold air, so actually it's just a fake light. And the problem is all the refrigerant has leaked out. So I bought this bottle from Amazon, and it's about 35 bucks. And I'm gonna put it into the low pressure side of the pipe. So it comes with this adapter. You just plug it on. You hear it snap. And then right now I can see the pressure is low. But even after I add it, it's still not coming on. So when I'm gonna keep adding. I don't know if you heard that. There was a extra sound where something engaged. Oh, I can see where the leak is now. Yeah, there's definitely a leak. I found out once I turned on the AC, I can see there was a leak, and the leak was right about here. And you can see where all the glue is. That's where the leak was. So I tried first just sealing it with construction glue, and it didn't work. So I bought the genuine Mazda part, which is the entire AC line. So the line starts from here, it goes across to there, and then it turns around there, and that thin tube goes all the way to the back. So I'm replacing that entire thing, and the entire thing is only secured with two 10 millimeter nut or bolts. Yeah, so there's one right here, which I'm gonna remove this one here, and then there's one at the very back, which is gonna be, I don't know if you can see it there, but yeah, I think you can see it. It's right in the middle. That's the other one I gotta remove. And yeah, and then there's this little small plastic clip, which I just used a flathead screwdriver to loosen. I will link the genuine part number below in the description, as well as the schematic diagram where you can find the part number corresponding to the part in your car that's broken. If you want to know what type of refrigerant to add, there's a sticker right at the front that tells you what it is. So in this case, I have the, what does it say here? 134A. This is how to disconnect the Mazda AC line electrical connector. It's very simple actually. You just, this little tab here, just press on it, put some pressure and then pull. That's it. Now that I'm done with the repair, I wonder maybe it could have been done much cheaper or easier. So what I thought was the problem was the welding here failed after 10 years, but turns out it was never, hold on. Yeah, so I thought the welding failed here, but actually this was never meant to be the seal. The seal is down here with the O-ring. So if the O-ring failed, fluid or the refrigerant could leak up. Yeah, if the O-ring failed, the fluid could go in this crevice and then come out there. So actually, what might have happened was just the O-ring failed after 9 years or so. So this maybe could have been a $10 repair if I just opened it and replaced the O-ring.